Welcome guys, welcome to my channel Adhyan with Flow. So let's start with some brief introduction. Comparison of chordates and non-chordates. We can also call it as a vertebrate because they have vertebrae, and these are invertebrates. Guys, let's discuss some important difference between chordates and non-chordates. Non-chordates consist, guys, porifera, remember? Porifera, cylindrita, nudiria, guys, arthropoda, annelida, echinodermata, hemichordata, platyhelminthes, escahelminthes. They contain what? They are present in invertebrates because they does not have vertebral column. But now little bit advanced after hemichordates. Now we're gonna study chordates, and let's take a quick view of what is the difference between chordates and non-chordates. If chordates have notochord, yes, but they don't have notochord. Their nervous system is present dorsal side. Guys, assume ourselves. One of the best example is human. Assume us. Our brain, our spinal cord, where this system is located, where our CNS is located, and backside, our backbone side. But their nervous system little bit present in a ventral side, front side. Pharynx is perforated by gill slits, but they does not have gill slits. Heart is ventral. Yes, our heart is ventral. Look at here, in front side, in our chest cavity, front side, ventral side. But their heart, if present, look at here, their heart, if present, then they present in their back side. Remember these difference, okay? This difference is not a simple, okay? You have to remember. A post-anal tail is present, but they don't have post-anal tails. Look at here, guys. These are the gill slits. They are present in us, means chordates. This is the nerve cord, and this is the below the nerve cord, notochord is present. And these are what? Post-anal part. Okay, let's start with chordates. So now chordates divided into three parts. Urochordate, we can say tunicate, second is cephalochordate, and third is vertebra. We are the example of vertebrates. We are the example of vertebra, humans. Okay, let's one by one discuss. Urochordate and cephalochordates are often referred to as a protochordates. Means urochordate and cephalochordate we will taken into one category. We call it as a protochordates. Next, exclusively marine. Now guys, still they are not come into the permanently at terrestrial, okay? In urochordate, start with urochordata. Notochord is present only in their tail. Remember this word. Urochord, tail side. Their notochord, their chord present their tail, tail. Where cephalochordate, what is the feature of cephalochordates? There, guys, wait, okay, this is not perfect. Now, in cephalochordates, their notochord, their chord is present at the top part, head. Clear? They contain their notochord at the tail part. They contain their notochord at the head part, head to tail part. Next, urochord example is Acidia. Here is their nerve cord, notochord is present. Next example is Salfa. Another example is Doliolum. Now, cephalochordate example is Branchiostoma. We can call it as an Amphioxus or lancelet. This is the fish, guys. There is an example. No, guys, there is no diagram. Okay, it's okay. Forget it. No problem. This is the fish. This is the fish, okay? This is the fish. Remember this is my word. This is the fish. Now, urochordata is complete. First, and cephalo means head. At the head part, their notochord is present. Second is urochordate. First is urochordate, second is cephalochordate, and third is now talk about what? Third, vertebrata. Because we have vertebral column. Yes, guys, I already complete this thing. How many vertebrae we contain? This is statement. All vertebrates are chordates, but all chordates are not vertebrae. Guys, they also are put into chordates, but does not mean they have vertebrae. They does not have vertebrae. Still they are chordate, but they don't have vertebrae. But they are chordates, and also they have vertebrae. They are chordate, but they don't have vertebrae. They are chordate, but they don't have vertebrae, and they have vertebrae. Look at here, they have well developed heart, excretion system, respiratory system. Look at here the example. Now vertebrae, urochordata is finished, cephalochordata is finished. Now third is vertebra. Guys, chordata guys. Chordata divided into three parts: urochordata, cephalochordata, and vertebrata. Now vertebrata further divided into their division. Aganitha, it does not have jaws. And another is gnethostomata, means they have jaws. And Agnatha also divided into their class cyclostomata. And now they also divided into their class species. They are aquatic, and tetrapod. They have fins and they have limbs. So they are divided, and they further divided into two classes: chordate and osteochthyes. Chondrichthyes and osteochthyes. And tetrapod further divided into amphibia, reptilia, aves, and mammals. One by one we will discuss everything. Can I repeat again? Let me read first. Guys, vertebrata means they have vertebral column. Yes or not? So vertebrata again divide into what division? Aganetha and gnethostomata. Aganetha means they lack jaws, they does not have jaws, but they have jaws. They further divided into one class, cyclostomata. They further divided into superclasses, Pisces and Tetrapoda. They further divided into classes, Chondrichthyes and Ostrich. They further divided into amphibians, reptiles, aves, mammals, because they have limbs and they have fins. Guys, never forget this orientation: division, class, family, order. Wait. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Never forget this. I remember with this code: Capcofungus. 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 N is missing. I remember by this mnemonics. Okay. So remember this species combine and make a genus, then family, then order, then class, then phylum, and they make a kingdom. In this chapter we discuss animal kingdom. Phylum we discuss now, like Porifera, Coelenterata, Cnidaria, Platyhelminthes, Exohelminthes, Annelids. Okay. Their class, look at here the class example. If this class is further divided, they make order, family, genus, species. Okay, one by one, let's start with the jawless organism, Cyclostomata. Look at here. Look at here. This is the jawless vertebrate. Example is one of the best example is Petromyzon. Look at here this fish. Look at their fish. It look like their fish, but they does not have jaws. They does not have jaws. Now guys, I'm gonna underline some important points. Guys, look at me guys. Now this paragraph is, I know this is a little bit small, but you have to write what their medium, their location, where they located, how many germ layers. Of course not triploblastic, these are most common. This NCERT not repeat again and again and again and again. Okay, coelomates, they don't repeat. Okay, bilateral symmetry, you have to write, because they don't repeat, because they already describe in Porifera, they already describe in invertebrates. Guys, look at here, they already describe lots of, they already describe here. So why they again describe a single simple type of, this is universal now. They have organelle system, bilateral symmetry, triploblastic, segmented body, and coelomate. Guys, this 4 point is written in all sequence. So your NCERT never be repeat again and again, but you have to write where they found, they are triploblastic or not, they are coelomate or not, their symmetry, their sexes are separated or not. You have to write, guys. They don't write again and again and again. Okay, you have to remember these 5 points. Now, except these points, next point is they bear 6 to 15 pairs of gill slits. This is the question forming area. This is the what question forming area, that Cyclostomata, this class contain bearing 6 to 15 pair gill slits, and gill slits uses for respiration. That's it. Cyclostomata, according to their name, stom means their mouth, cyclo, rounded mouth. They have suckers at their mouth because they does not have jaws now, so they adhere with their suckers at large fish like shark. They adhere, they penetrate, they attach with their sucker to large fish like whale, shark. So whatever shark will eat, whatever whale fishes are eat, their particles, their food particles spread in water medium, and they consume this thing. Now they have scales, paired fins. Cranium and vertebral column are cartilaginous, means their vertebrate column made with cartilage. Now circulatory system is closed type. Cyclostomata are marine but migrate for spawning, means when they want to release their egg, when the time of egg release, they migrate to the marine water to fresh water, and they release their egg when the larva is come out, and after adult they come out marine. Spawning process. Alright. Now one of the example is Petromyzon and Nixie, lamprey and hagfish. Next class, look at here. Now Aganetha is complete. Cyclostomata is complete. Okay, so Gnethostomata we will discuss in next video, because Gnethostomata further divided into species because they have fins animals in different site, and limb carrying animals we put in different category. Alright, so we will discuss in our next video Chondrichthyes and Ostrich. And at the next of Chondrichthyes and Ostrich we will discuss about amphibians, reptilia, and aves and mammals. So that's all for now. We will meet in next video. Thank you. Thanks a lot for listening me, supporting me. Keep smiling. Revise. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, Adhan with Flow. Thank you so much.